how to see who saved your Instagram post. So the very first thing we're going to do is to switch our personal account to professional account. If you already have a professional account, you can just skip this process. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your profile icon, click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now you just have to scroll down until you see account type and tools. You just have to click on that and click on switch to professional account. Now it doesn't really matter how you fill this one up as long as you finish or complete this part of the process. So creator, then hit continue. Now you're done setting up your professional account. Now to see who saved your Instagram post, let's proceed to one of your posts, let's say right here. Now in order for you to see how many people have saved your Instagram post, all you have to do is to click on view insight. And as you can see here, it will give us a count on how many people have saved your Instagram post. Each post you have has this kind of feature right here. So you will be able to see how many people have saved your Instagram post right here, as well as the comments, like, and interaction they have. So that's how to see who saved your Instagram post.